Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 21st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see the full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So it was kind of a sideways day for most of the dollar pairs. I still think this looks like a complete ABC correction right here. I would expect to see another push up. I would think it's most likely going to at least go up and retest these highs. Maybe after that it will make a push down, but my overall target is still the $2,550 area, and I still think we are in a wave 3 on all the higher time frames, daily, weekly, and monthly. So I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs. I would be looking for this move down right here to make a higher low for my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list right here from top to bottom during those sessions. Also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.